Hi, this is Connie from Connie George Travel Associates bringing you your travel minute. If you love to hit the water in the cruise ship pool or the ocean ports, these are tips you don't want to miss. It can take a while for bathing suits to dry, particularly in humid areas, so pack 2 to 3 swimsuits to avoid having to wiggle into that yucky wetsuit the next day. Many cruise ships have a pull-out laundry line across the shower in which you can drape your damp bathing suit. There are also portable travel clotheslines that can be pre-purchased. I would suggest picking up magnetic hooks. Most cruise ship cabins have metal walls. You can pick these hooks up at department and office supply stores, on Amazon, and even at Dollar Tree. They're great for hanging damp bathing suits and other items. And speaking of Dollar Tree, I'll post below the web address for our article on 49 trip items you can buy at Dollar Tree to save you a lot of money over buying them at a pharmacy or department store. Pack plastic bags, preferably Ziploc bags, to bring home wet bathing suits to separate them from everything else in your suitcase. And not bathing suit hacks, but other needs to go hand in hand include water shoes, which are particularly helpful on beaches that have a lot of rocks and shells. And also don't forget your sunscreen and a hat to protect yourself so you can enjoy the rest of your cruise without a sunburn. For more tips and to help with planning your next great vacation, contact Connie George Travel Associates at connie@cgta.com. Take care.